Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the value of m if 27 raised to the power 3m minus 14 is equal to fraction with numerator 3 raised to the power 30 minus 9 raised to the power 14 over 8. Let's see how we are going to solve this question. This is a question in indices. So for indicial equation, the concept is if the bases are the same, you equate the exponent. So what we are going to do to make sure that each side of the equation of the equal sign should have the same base. Now looking at the expression, the least base is 3. So we are going to try and express the rest in terms of base 3. Okay. So this implies that 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power 3. So all raised to the power 3m minus 14, which is equal to, now since the least base is 3, we will not do anything now. 3 raised to the power 30 minus 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2, all raised to the power 14 divided by 8. Now from laws of indices, a raised to the power m all raised to the power n is the same as a raised to the power m times n. So when an index is raised to a certain power, then you multiply the exponent. Okay, this implies that, so on the left hand side, 3 raised to the power 3 times 3m minus 14, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 30 minus 3 raised to the power 2 times 14 is 28 over 8. So we are going to have, 3 raised to the power 3 times 3 is 9m, 3 times 14, we have 42 is equal to. Now 3 raised to the power 30, we can write it as 3 raised to the power 28 plus 2, that's 30 can be written as that, minus 3 raised to the power 28 all over. Remember, a raised to the power m plus n the same as a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So we are going to write 3 raised to the power 9m minus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power 28 times 3 raised to the power 2 minus 3 raised to the power 28 over 8. And we have 3 raised to the power 28 as a common factor. It implies that on the left hand side, 3 raised to the power 9m minus 42 is equal to, then we bring 3 raised to the power 28 out. When you do that, we have 3 raised to the power 2 minus, we have taken 3 raised to the power 28 out, so it will be left 1 over 8. And 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. So we have 3 raised to the power 9m minus 40 is equal to 3 raised to the power 28 times 9 minus 1 over 8. So simplify further, 3 raised to the power 9m minus 42 is equal to 3 raised to the power 28 times 9 minus 1 is 8 over 8. This 8 will cancel that. We are going to have 3 raised to the power 9m minus 4, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 28. Now, as I said earlier, that for indices, equations involving indices, the concept is the basis on each side of the equal sign must be the same. We now have base 3 here. On the right hand side, the base is 3. Now, if the bases are equal, then we can equate the exponent. So this implies that 9m minus 42 is equal to 28. So 9m will be equal to 28 plus 2. So 9m, 28 plus 42, 70. We want to find m. So we divide both sides by 9. When we do that, we have m is equal to 70 over 9. Now to simplify further, then we are going to have m is equal to 7 whole number, 9 will go to 77, then 7 over 9. That is the answer. Viewers, Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.